Hello children, this video we will see about the basics of chapter light, the topic reflection. So we know that light we get it from the natural resource called sun. Because of light only we are able to see things. So an object reflects the light that falls on it. That reflected light received by our eyes enables us to see things. So this logic we have already learnt in the 8th standard. So now we are going to talk about reflection in detail using ray diagram in class 10. Now, so what are the properties of light? Light travels in a straight line. Light acts both as a particle and as a wave. Light can do reflection and refraction. So this chapter mainly we are going to talk about the concept called reflection and refraction done by the light. So what is reflection? Reflection is when a light falls on any object, that light, that ray gets reflected. So we have learnt as the ray which is falling on object is incident ray, and the ray which is getting reflected as the reflected ray. So now the question is, do all the objects reflect light? The answer is no. Why? Because there are three types of objects, as you know. One is called transparent object. Here the light passes through the object so that we can see the other side. Opaque object, yes, it is going to reflect the light. Translucent object, partially it will allow the light to pass through and the remaining light gets reflected. So that is the reason we say do all the objects do not reflect light. Then, which type of object is going to do the full and complete reflection? The objects which are highly polished and smooth, they are going to reflect all the light falling on it. So examples of those substances are, it can be mirror, lens, stainless steel, or like a spoon also. So this chapter again we are going to talk about the reflection using a mirror and lens. So first we will talk about what is a basic mirror. So mirrors can be of two types. One is called as a plane mirror and other one is called as the spherical mirror. So plane mirror and the spherical mirror both follow the laws of reflection. What is laws of reflection? As you know, the laws of reflections are the incident ray, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection, and the incident ray, the normal to the mirror at the point of incidence, and the reflected ray all lie in the same plane. So this already we have learnt in the 8th class. So it is again the same law which is followed by both the plane mirror and the spherical mirror, that is laws of reflection. Then mirrors are of two types. One is a plane mirror and a spherical mirror. So how does a plane mirror look? We know it is one side is a reflection side. The back side of the mirror will be coated with a red paint or a silver paint. Then what is a spherical mirror? Spherical mirror has the mirror with a curved surface. So the reflecting surface of a spherical mirror, here it will be either curved inward or outward. If it is curved inward, then it is called as the curved surface which is inward, then it is called as the concave mirror. If the curved surface is outward, then it is called as the convex mirror. So the inward surface or the outward surface will be the reflection side as shown in the figure. The other side will be the back side of the mirror which will be painted. So one basic example of the spherical mirror is nothing but the spoon. So then how do you define a spherical mirror? Then a mirror whose reflecting surface is curved. The reflecting surface of mirrors will be curved. So such mirrors whose reflecting surfaces are spherical or curved are called as spherical mirrors. So here we have the definition for what is a spherical mirror. The mirror whose reflecting surface is curved or spherical is called as a spherical mirrors. So you wait for my next video where we will talk about the image formation of plane mirror and how to draw the ray diagram and the definitions of the ray diagram. Thank you.